In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a proposal in HoneyBook. Fast method 2026. First, open your browser and go to honeybook.com. For the smoothest experience, make sure you're on the official site and that your browser is up to date. Next, log into your HoneyBook account using your usual credentials. If you're prompted for any security verification, like a code sent to your device, go ahead and complete that. Once you're in, you'll be taken to your dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see an overview of your activity and projects. Don't worry if your screen looks a little different based on your plan or previous setup. The navigation we need is the same. Look to the left side of the screen. That sidebar is your main navigation. It's where you'll find all the core tools you use in HoneyBook. From that left sidebar, click Files. This opens your document hub, the place where you manage the documents you send to clients. Inside Files, find and select Proposals. Proposals in HoneyBook are powerful because they can combine your pricing, contract terms, and payment collection in one streamlined document, which is why this method is fast. Now, click New Proposal. Depending on your workspace, you may be able to choose a template or start from scratch. If you've already created proposal templates, choose one to speed things up. Templates keep your branding consistent and reduce repetitive editing. With the new proposal open, start designing. Add a clear title and a brief introduction that sets expectations. Customize your package or line items with quantities, rates, and descriptions so your client understands exactly what they're getting. If applicable, include taxes, discounts, or fees. Set a payment schedule that matches your process, whether that's a deposit and a final payment or multiple milestones. For branding, update colors, fonts, and images to align with your visual identity. You can also add sections for scope, timeline, and deliverables, and include your terms so everything is documented in one place. If you plan to collect a signature, enable e-signature within the file settings so clients can review, sign, and pay without leaving the proposal. As you work, save regularly. Use a clear file name so you can find it later and avoid any confusion with similar proposals. Before wrapping up, preview the proposal to double-check totals, dates, and formatting. When everything looks good, save again to lock in your changes. That's it, the fast method to create a polished, ready-to-send proposal in HoneyBook.